May gusto pa bang patunayan si Kim Chiu sa kanyang magandang katawan? Grabe ang Chinita Princess dahil walang sawa sa kaka-exercise. Sa kanyang Instagram video na nagwo-workout siya ay binahagi niya kung paano maging healthy ang kanyang katawan. Aniya, mental fortitude is the name of the game. Teaching you to overcome challenges with grit and determination. After the grind, embrace the power of recovery with a 3-minute ice bath. From the lift to the chill is a step toward becoming a stronger, more unstoppable version of yourself. Let's go! Magpasikat Team Tuesday! Feeling nervous and excited of course. See you madlang people! Komento ni Kuya Kim at Yenza. Maganda yung fortitude na yan, Kimi. Thanks for the program coach. Best of luck sa race tomorrow. Paulo is there. Komento naman ng isa. Spotted Pau. Oo nga, hayun nakatayong nakatalikod. Yung sa harap ng water dispenser. Enjoy and have fun sa workout, Kim, with hubby. Happy po kami na makita kayo together. Kahit nakatalikod po si Boss Paulo.